Hello, friends. Let us look at the difference between immigration, and migration. First in English and after that in Hindi. What is immigration? So, immigration means when you go to some other country after leaving your own country and settle down in that another country permanently. So, that process is called immigration. From the perspective of the people of your original country, you have emigrated to other country. For example, if my friend Amit goes and settles down in America and he starts living there permanently, then we Indians will say that Amit has emigrated to America. And what is immigration? Immigration means when someone from another country comes and starts living permanently in your country, then from the perspective of the people of your country, so you will say that that person has immigrated to our country, and that person is called an immigrant. That process is called immigration. So let me give you an example. For example, as I told you that about Amit, when Amit goes from India to America and starts living there permanently, he settles down there with the intention of living there permanently, then we Indians will say that Amit has emigrated to America. But American people will say that Amit has immigrated to America because they live in America. So for them, Amit has come from some another country, some other country, and he has settled down in their country. So for American citizens, Amit is an immigrant, and they will say that he has immigrated to America from India. And we'll say that Amit has emigrated to America from India. So let me give you one other example. For example, suppose one man is there, Patrick. So he is from America. Now suppose Patrick comes to India, gets a job here, and he likes India so much that he decides to settle down here permanently. So when he starts living here permanently, so we Indians will say that Patrick has immigrated to India. But his American relatives and other people will say that Patrick has emigrated to India. And what is migration? Migration means moving from one place to another, either permanently or temporarily. Immigration and immigration are permanent situations where someone goes from one country to another to live there permanently. But migration can be permanent also or temporary also. And migration can be done by animals, by birds, or human beings. So for example, when Siberian cranes come to India in Rajasthan, Bharatpur, Rajasthan, so they come here because of the situation in Siberia. For that time being, for 1-2 months, is not suitable for them. It is too much cold for them. So that winter is very, very bad for them. It is very dangerous for them. Too much means a low temperature is there. So they come to India in Bharatpur, Rajasthan, and they spend 2 months here, where the weather and where the surrounding situation is suitable for them. They have a lot of food to eat. So after 2 months, when the situation in Siberia also becomes suitable for them, so they return to Siberia. So they don't come to India permanently. They come only temporarily. It is called temporary migration. And animals also do the same thing. Because of some reason, when the situation in the area where they are permanent residents, so the situation is not good for them, because of some reason, drought or some other reason, or some seasonal migration is also there. So they go to some other area, they spend some time there, and then they return after 1, 2, 3 months, whatever time. It differs animal to animal. So, and human beings also go from one country to another permanently or temporarily. but one part of the country to another part of the country also, means their own country. For example, many people from rural areas, they go to city, urban area for 2-3 months sometimes when summer time is there and there is no work available for them in villages. So they go to city to earn money, and when after rainy season starts, so they return to their own area, rural area. But some people from rural area, they go permanently to live in Pune, Mumbai, big cities, and they settle down there permanently. They don't return to villages after that. So it is called permanent migration. For job purposes, for educational purposes, for whatever reason, different reasons are there. So people from one area shift to another area. So that movement is called migration. तो चलो दोस्तों, आज हम देखते हैं कि इमिग्रेशन और माइग्रेशन में क्या फ़र्क होता है। इमिग्रेशन का मतलब होता है कि जब आप आपका देश छोड़कर किसी दूसरे देश में हमेशा के लिए रहने के लिए चले जाते हो, तो उसके लिए हम बोलते हैं इमिग्रेशन। जैसे अगर मेरा दोस्त अमित भारत से जाकर अगर अमेरिका में हमेशा के लिए बस गया, तो हम भारतीय लोग बोलेंगे कि अमित ने अमेरिका में इमिग्रेशन कर लिया, वो इमिग्रेट हो गया अमेरिका में। और इमिग्रेशन यानी क्या? जब कोई इंसान कोई आदमी या जो भी कोई है, वो दूसरे देश से आकर हमारे देश में हमेशा के लिए बस जाता है, तो उसको हम बोलते हैं इमिग्रेशन। तो ये डिपेंड होता है कि आप कौन से देश के दृष्टिकोण से बात कर रहे हो। सो जिस देश से वो इंसान गया है दूसरे देश में रहने के लिए, उस देश के अगर आप दृष्टिकोण से बात करोगे तो उसने इमिग्रेट किया है। लेकिन जिस देश में वो रहने के लिए गया, उस देश के लोगों के दृष्टिकोण से अगर आप बात करोगे तो उस आदमी ने क्या किया, उनके देश में इमिग्रेट किया है, वो इमिग्रेंट है, उसने इमिग्रेशन किया है। और माइग्रेशन क्या होता है? माइग्रेशन यानी एक जगह से दूसरी जगह, एक तो टेम्पररी जाना कुछ समय के लिए सिर्फ, या परमानेंटली हमेशा के लिए जाना। तो जैसे जानवर या पंछी, इंसान, ये तीनों भी माइग्रेशन करते हैं, कभी एक देश से दूसरे देश में, कभी उनके खुद के देश के एक हिस्से से दूसरे हिस्से में टेम्पररी। जैसे देहात में जब समर टाइम में, जब धूप के दिनों में, जब गर्मी के दिनों में काम नहीं होता है, तो बहुत से लोग जाते सिटी के अंदर, शहरों के अंदर रहने के लिए जाते हैं, वहाँ पे 2-3 महीने बिताते और कमाई करते हैं। और जब गांव में उनकी जो परिस्थिति अच्छी हो जाती है तो फिर से लौट जाते हैं। लेकिन कुछ लोग उनके बच्चों के शिक्षण के लिए, या उनको जॉब अच्छे नहीं मिल रहे हैं विलेज एरिया में, रूरल एरिया में, तो अपनी एक ज़िंदगी का जो लाइवलीहुड का जो क्या बोलेंगे उसको, स्टैंडर्ड है, वो बढ़ाने के लिए वो सिटी में जाते हैं। तो परमानेंटली वहाँ पे रहते, फिर लौट के नहीं आते। तो लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड बनाने के लिए वो जाते हैं वहाँ पे, तो परमानेंटली वहाँ पे बस जाते हैं। तो जैसे मैंने पंछी का भी एग्जांपल मैं दे सकता हूँ कि जैसे साइबेरियन जो सारस पंछी होते हैं, वो राजस्थान में भरतपुर में आते हैं, वहाँ पे 1-2 महीने बिताते और फिर लौट जाते हैं साइबेरिया में। जब वहाँ पे की परिस्थिति उनके अनुकूल हो जाती है तो वहाँ पे फिर से लौट जाते हैं। तो इसको हम बोलते हैं टेम्पररी, कुछ समय के लिए जो माइग्रेशन करते हैं, वो स्थलांतरण। If you want to more of this kind of videos, then please subscribe to the channel. So I will meet you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.